Who would have imagined getting up, going to work at the amusement park that you have been working at for the last 3 years, and then winning the lottery? Well, Joseph Burnett in Henry County, Georgia knows just that feeling. And how does he describe it?
It's surreal. It's like, it is real, but it's sinking in.
Burnett had a golden ticket. Was he planning on a win, or was it just an ordinary day?
Think anything of it. Came back, went to work, had to go get gas, and went in there and spent 25. And I scratched the 3, didn't win. Scratched the 2 and won 20. I was happy with the 20. And as I was about to pump gas, I started to scratch the $20 ticket. It got to the 13th number and it said $2.5 million.
And what is he going to do with the money? We all want to know.
Have fun with some of it. For the rest of it, I mean, you can go through money quick. So the rest of it, I'll put up and I'll live off of it. And I'm only 31, so I got a ways to go.
Burnett is not going to quit his job. I know some may differ with that choice, but I know what we all agree with, not hesitating and going and getting that big chunk of change. In Stockbridge, Kenya Asbill, WABI News.